I have 3 layers of pants on. It's a fireplace in there. Hello. Whoa, it's giving sun. Welcome to the video. Currently, I have to leave 5 minutes ago. I'm shooting the music video for my song Counting Sheep today. It's actually gonna be a 2 or 3 day shoot, not sure yet, depends on how today and tomorrow go. We're gonna be shooting outside in the dark at night. I'm gonna need to dress warm. If you don't know this song yet, go stream it. It's called Counting Sheep. It's my favorite song I've ever put out so far. Right now, it's like 16 degrees, so it's hot outside. I think I'm gonna be sweating in these, but just want to be prepared. Okay, it looks like I'm wearing nothing. Cool, let's go to set. We are on location now. Here are all the girlies that are working on the shoot today. I'm excited. It's really hot right now. It's gonna be colder later. Let's do it. This is the truck I'm gonna be driving. It's a big boy truck. I know.
Yeah, so like the first part of this video, it's like about like 30 seconds in. They're basically gonna like turn the radio on to like, and like in the actual edit, like we'll turn the volume up as well.
Yeah. You're fine. We're doing makeup now during golden hour, and I think we're shooting at 9, which is in like half an hour. Well, in an hour. Another night shoot for me. I'm excited. I am. I haven't really had much time to think about it because I'm actually leaving to go to Paris in like 2 days.
You're kidding.
Which is why this is like such a rush shoot.
Yeah, it was like a week, right? You guys had to plan for it?
I told them like 2 to 3 weeks ago, which is like kind of insane. And usually videos like this take at least a month to plan.
Yeah.
But I worked with Sophia on Clean Up an L for my previous song, and like she was really awesome to work with. And I was like, is there a chance that we can make this happen? I like wasn't actually planning on making a music video for this. I was like, I'll just make a lyric video. And then I was like, wait, I really like this song.
I'm gonna spray in 1, 2, 3. Okay, stay still for a second. You can breathe, because if you open your eyes, it just will feel really cold and like kind of stingy because it
toothpaste.
I know, but your makeup will not move.
Yeah.
Okay, you can slowly open. It's like the same as like a tear stick in movies. Like will make you cry if you open your like Tiger Balm. I'm gonna powder you one more time and then you're done.
Cool. The clouds. This is how we're looking. I want to take some golden hour pictures. The lighting is so nice right now.
Damn,
this is impressive.
yeah, this is a beautiful tie.
It literally took me 20 minutes to tie and it didn't even look good.
So you can tighten it.
Yeah, I did this completely myself. Am I doing it right?
Pull the back of the tail and then pull up, push up.
Is that right?
Yeah, you tighten it.
Okay, just gonna patrol officer or something.
Sleep patrol.
We are, actually I don't know what we're waiting for. We have done makeup and outfit. You wanna come explain the concept?
She's getting kidnapped. Time is running out. She needs to sleep. You are kidnapping yourself.
Yes.
And then you're gonna drive this truck. You're trying to kidnap the insomniac version of yourself.
Yes. I'm playing 2 characters. I'm gonna be trying to escape. And that's the vibe.
That's the vibe.
And then the second half of the video is gonna be like completely different, but it's gonna be really cool.
Let's get rehearsal set up because once Blue Hour hits,
Yeah,
go.
okay.
Okay. Yeah, let's go in the van. Let's prioritize your movie. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're about to shoot the first scene. Sun is setting, so we're gonna be shooting during blue hour. I actually am not allowed to wear my glasses, but I'm fine. Like, it's just a straight line, so don't tell anybody.
Why don't you drive down all the way to the end?
Okay, we'll go the other way.
Yeah, let's go the other way.
Okay.
Alright, so Jen, what I need you to do is I need you to turn the volume up all the way. And action.
1, 2, 3, 4. Don't know how it's 5 a.m. again. One too many episodes of Friends.
Just watch the TV.
Don't die, please. Bye, guys. Bye. Just a wide shot. She's gonna turn. Guys, where are you going? Oh.
Shit.
The commentary in the back.
He's going.
Oh, but
I like it.
bare ankles.
Wait, am I doing something wrong?
No.
Okay, you're doing everything right.
They know how to get under your pants. Like,
First scene done. Just been basically driving 20 kilometers per hour. At first I was going pretty fast. I forgot that there were people in the back and they were like bouncing. But yeah, we just went back and forth on the road a couple times. This has been the most relaxed shoot I've ever done. I think the energy is so good.
what are we doing next?
I don't know what we're doing next actually. We'll see.
So you were thinking maybe something like this. Something like that?
Oh,
Like so cool. That's so cool. That's so cool. Very DIY vibes. I actually bought like a 10-pound box of polyfill because I thought I was gonna make cloud lights for my room, but I never made them. So they're going to use now.
You frame? Cut. That was great.
Okay, rolling.
And action. You're gonna lose your job, man. Fuck, you gotta chase her, you gotta chase her. Keep chasing. Okay, cut.
We are doing a quick change. Last shot of the day. We're only doing 3 today, but feels successful so far. And now I'm changing into PJs.
We're getting cozy for the last shot.
Yeah,
nice
yeah,
and
yeah.
cozy. Good way to end it off.
Let me see if I can actually fit this under so I can have 2 layers on. Cozy aesthetics, but it's actually very cold. This is the outfit. I'm so comfortable. And I'm just gonna be like hopping out of the truck and doing cardio.
booking it.
Booking it. This is not a normal occurrence. You'll not see this anywhere else. If I can sit here, I can just go directly onto the platform.
Wait, what did we just do?
I ran a long time. Good morning. It's day 2. I have to curl my hair before set today. I had a dream that I had bald spots last night and I cried in my sleep. I think the stress is getting to me. Yesterday, I really contemplated cutting my own bangs before the shoot. I was gonna do it, but then I had to leave in like 10 minutes. Then I figured I couldn't do a good job, but I still plan on doing it tomorrow. But look at that. Hair is finished. It's so voluminous and bouncy right now. I'm hoping it stays. It looks so big and bouncy. I really should curl my hair more often now that my hair is still long. But that's about to change. I'm gonna cut it all off. All right, let's go to set. This is the makeup look we're doing. This is Chloe. Hi. Just doing my makeup. We're doing like a pink eye moment with pink liner. Scene today is in a cloud room. I'll show you in a second. And it's really cool. It's for the second half of the song. We're ready for a long day. Right now it's 10:35. Got here around 10. Everyone else got here at like 8:30. So I got to come a little later. And we're going to pretty much the same time today, like 10:30, 11 p.m. So it will be a full day. Wait, it looks so flawless. My skin looks so good. It looks snatched. I put on glitter. It's giving euphoria.
Good.
This is the finished makeup. It's so pretty. And then this is the fit. Yes.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
I'm counting sheep from fires and memories that
Ready, Jen? Yep. And action.
We are having a lot of technical difficulties with the fluffs. They're falling all over the place, but it looks really cool.
Jen, I'm gonna move it back.
Yeah.
Half a minute, guys. Here we go.
Alright, are we ready?
Yep. Are you rolling?
Rolling.
I'm counting sheep from fires and memories that
Look right. Cut.
We are filming a scene
scene where I'm just vibing out dancing. I've requested Pitbull.
Well, I feel like it's funny
Hold on,
because
hold on.
it's like the complete antithesis to the clouds. I feel like it's a good like juxtaposition.
It's a social commentary on the fact that when we're dreaming, yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Alright, Jen's back. We're having fun. That's what we're doing. We are. Stop lying. Yes. Pull back a bit. Just a little back. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, beautiful, Val. Jen, that's so good. I love when you hold the camera. That's great.
84, 85, 88, 89, 94, 95, 98, 99.
Okay, kind of scream and shake your hand at the camera like, ah! Yeah, that's great. That's good, that's good. Oh my god, well done, well done, well done, well done. That's perfect.
Hello everyone, I'm back home. We finished at the studio. I just ate dinner. Now I have to go back to yesterday's location to shoot the rest of the scenes. After I got home, I suddenly got so tired. It's like an instant switch. I was like, I wonder what just happened. Like maybe I'm just like finally sitting down and I feel the tiredness, but no. Guess what happened? I got my period. Yay! We love Mother Nature. We love having a uterus. Anyway, so I'm now bleeding, but I actually anticipated that this was gonna happen. My Clue app told me I was gonna get it yesterday, so I was prepared for yesterday to be super difficult, but we got through most of today, and I just have a 3-hour stint left of filming, and then I'll come home and we shall, well, I'm kind of busy still for the next couple days, but we will make do. Oh guys, we are back. It has started to rain a little bit. I'm hoping it doesn't start pouring. Although it would be like cool for the video, but I am not willing to.
Not willing to risk the glam. Rub lips together.
Cute.
I think that's glossy enough.
I think this looks fine to me.
You think so?
Yeah, we are getting into the car. I have 3 layers of pants on. It's a fireplace in there. I have a leash on, like a child.
This is the situation, right? You've like woken up, you're in handcuffs, you've been kidnapped by the sleep patrol. So this is part. That's when panic starts.
Oh, okay.
To the right.
Okay, I'm ready to take a nap. Yeah, everyone's anchored. It's super safe. We're all legal citizens. No one has ever broken the law here. Clearly, someone has broken the law. This one's loosest. Okay.
Yeah.
I actually can't even like take them off. So
Oh no.
this is what jail is like. Like, sign me up.
What are we doing in the scene?
We're driving. I'm waking up from
Okay, it's good, it's good.
being kidnapped, and I'm like, where am I? Basically, it's like Sleep Patrol caught me as trying to make me not sleep, and I'm like trying to escape. Like I want to sleep, and then in the end, I finally escape, and that's when I fall asleep. So the song is kind of like a chronological.
Don't feel alive when I'm awake. Not sure if I'm okay. Been feeling like my body's about to break.
Chillin'. We're filming the last scene, I think. I'm gonna be hanging out in the back. Literally. I've just been vibing with the mosquitoes, to be honest. It's getting dark, but we're chilling. I'm chilling. We did it!